We're living in a digital gold rush. People are making money online every single minute. You don't need a fancy office or a big company. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. It's about hustle, creativity, and using the right resources. The internet has opened up so many opportunities. It's a level playing field where anyone can succeed. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for extra income, there's a place for you online. Don't believe me? People are building entire businesses from their phones. They're selling products, teaching skills, and sharing their passions with the world. And guess what? You can too. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about hard work, dedication, and using the amazing resources available online. Are you ready to join the digital gold rush? Let's go. The internet is like a giant library, but instead of books, it's filled with tools and information to help you make money. There are websites, forums, courses, and communities dedicated to online business. It's incredible. Think about it. You can learn any skill you want, from coding to graphic design, all online. Need help with marketing? Boom! Thousands of resources are just a click away. These resources are often free or very affordable. Compare that to the cost of traditional business courses or setting up a physical store. It's a no-brainer. But here's the real magic. You can connect with people all over the world. Find mentors, collaborators, and customers. Build a network and learn from the best in the business. Online resources are your secret weapon to success. Got a skill you're good at? Writing, editing, graphic design, web development, the list goes on and on. Freelancing is the way to go. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need your expertise. You set your rates, choose your projects, and work from anywhere in the world. It's the ultimate freedom. No more boring office jobs or restrictive schedules. I know so many people who started freelancing as a side hustle and ended up making it their full-time gig. It's all about delivering quality work and building a strong reputation. Remember, provide value, over-deliver on your promises, and watch your client list grow. Freelancing is a fantastic way to monetize your skills and be your own boss. Section 4. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you learn. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital salesperson. You promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on every sale you make. The best part? You don't need to create your own products. Find a niche you're passionate about. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank and start promoting. You can use social media, blogs, or even YouTube videos to reach potential customers. It's all about finding the right products for your audience and creating valuable content that converts. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for you. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. Once you set up your campaigns, they can continue to generate revenue for months or even years to come. It's a win-win. Section 5. Online courses. Sharing is caring and earning. Are you an expert in something? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding guru, or a master chef. Whatever your skill, you can share your knowledge and make money by creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it super easy to create and sell your courses. You can reach a global audience and impact people's lives with your knowledge. Creating a course takes effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. You're not just making money, you're helping people learn and grow. Plus, once your course is up and running, it can generate passive income for years. Think about what you're passionate about and what skills you can share. The world is hungry for knowledge, and you can be the one to provide it. Section 6. Blogging, your voice, your income. Blogging is more than just writing about your day. It's a powerful platform to share your thoughts, passions, and expertise with the world. And yes, you can absolutely make money from it. Choose a niche that excites you, create high-quality content, and build a loyal audience. You can monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or by selling your own products or services. The key to successful blogging is consistency and authenticity. Be yourself, engage with your readers, and provide value with every post. Blogging takes time and effort, but it can be incredibly rewarding. You're building an asset, a community, and a voice that can reach millions. So find your passion and start writing. Section 7. E-commerce, from passion to profit. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business? E-commerce makes it easier than ever to turn your passion into profit. You can sell anything online, from handmade crafts to vintage clothing to digital products. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon Handmade provide all the tools you need to set up your online store and start selling. You can reach customers worldwide and build a brand you're proud of. E-commerce takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards are limitless. You're in control of your own destiny, setting your own prices, and building a business that reflects your unique vision. So what are you waiting for? Find your niche, source your products, and get ready to join the exciting world of e-commerce.